In this lesson, we'll be going through the tips for mastering Euclidean geometry. Right? So, what will happen is that you'll be given a diagram with mixed theorems inside. Right? So let me say we've got this thing here. It's sort of like a Z shape. Okay, so let's say it ends here. Okay, and then we are given something else like this. Like this, just what examiner does. They complicate the diagram. So suppose we're given something like this, and let's say here it's A, here is B, C, D, E, F. Right? So what you can do is that go to the exam room with 10 colors which are different. Right? With those 10 colors, mark equal angles with separate colors. For example, let's zoom this in. So we can see that we have got a butterfly or like a bow tie shape, right? What I usually do, I encourage people that if they see a bow tie or a butterfly, they must think of angle with the same segment and angle with the center theorem, because it also has this one, whereby one of these two will be at the center, right? So whenever you see a butterfly shape, it's clear. I'm sorry. So it is clear in all respect. You can easily determine, or no, I'm sorry. You can easily determine that there's a butterfly there, right? Therefore, what you can do is that you have to determine which butterfly is it. So now let's go this way. You see, there's a butterfly shape there. Therefore, you mark equal angles, and this is what I'm going to do. So we need to increase the size. Okay, let me use a green color. I'm going to mark this with a circle, and I'm going to mark this one with a circle. It shows that these two angles are equal, right? Then I use a different color again to mark equal angles. Even this one here is equal to this one here, because they are in a bow tie. Okay, they're in a butterfly shape. And then we've got parallel lines. Let's say these lines are said to be parallel, right? Find this thing. Whenever you are given parallel lines, look for fan, whereby F is corresponding angles which are angled in an F shape. U, co-interior. Remember, co-interior angles are not equal, but they are supplementary. So if you've got co-interior angles like A, B, A plus B are not equal, but A plus B are equal to 180 for interior angles, right? And then we've got alternating angles here. Okay, so it's corresponding with an angle in F shape, and then co-interior, then alternating angles, and they are equal except co-interior. So I can see a Z shape here because they are parallel lines, right? Therefore, what I can easily conclude from this thing is that because I've got a Z shape, therefore I'm going to use a different color which I never used to mark that this angle here is equal to this angle. If they ask you why, just say alternating angles, because AD is parallel to EF. Whenever you are saying something about corresponding, co-interior, and alternating, always conclude by saying because the two lines are parallel, and state those lines. So one tip which works in all cases, even if you don't know what you are doing, but just by filling all the information on the diagram, you're able to see even things that you didn't even see at first. So make sure you enter an exam room when you're writing paper 2 for mathematics, either in June, in trial exam, or in final, or even, okay, no, it's in term 2. Make sure that you highlight important angles right? That, okay, if all angles are important, I mean, mark and highlight equal angles, okay? Because in this case, if they can ask you which angle is equal to B, well, you know that B is in green, and you're going to look for something that is in green again, and that is C. Therefore, B and C are equal because they are both green. Hey, but don't give a reason and say they are both green. No, they are in the same segment. They are subtended by the same segment, by the same arc, which is arc EF. Okay? Yes. So, don't give a reason by saying they've got two green lines, because you didn't show the examiner green lines. Okay? And don't say blue lines are the same. No, you must give the actual reason, the geometrical reason. So make sure you enter an exam room with the colors which will mark equal angles. Thank you for watching.